What if the reason your breakfast leaves you hungry, tired, and searching for snacks by mid-morning is not that you lack willpower, but that your first meal is sending the wrong signals? A smart breakfast can help control appetite, protect muscle, steady energy, and make a calorie deficit feel far easier to maintain. The right foods do not burn fat by magic. They help your body work with you. Metabolism is not a switch that one superfood can suddenly turn on. It is influenced by muscle mass, movement, sleep, hormones, age, and total food intake. But breakfast can still matter because protein requires more energy to digest than fat or carbohydrate, while fiber and water add fullness. Together, these qualities may reduce the urge to overeat later in the day. In this video, you will discover 10 breakfast foods that combine protein, fiber, healthy fats, or high-volume nutrition. You will also learn how to prepare them without turning a healthy ingredient into a sugar-heavy calorie bomb. Stay until the end, because the final food may surprise you, and I will give you a simple formula for building a fat-loss-friendly breakfast from almost anything. Protein-rich and satisfying. Eggs provide high-quality protein that helps support muscle maintenance while keeping breakfast substantial. Protecting muscle is important during healthy fat loss because muscle is metabolically active tissue and helps you remain strong as body weight changes. Eggs also supply choline and several essential nutrients in a compact, convenient package. The advantage of eggs is not that they melt body fat. It is that they can replace a breakfast built mainly from refined cereal, pastries, or sweetened coffee. 2 eggs with vegetables can create a slower, more satisfying meal than a sugary breakfast that disappears quickly. Add spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, or peppers to increase volume without adding many calories. Preparation makes the difference. Boil, poach, or scramble eggs with a modest amount of oil instead of covering them with butter, processed meat, and cheese. For a more complete meal, add 1 slice of whole grain toast or a piece of fruit. This balance gives you protein, fiber, and enough energy to feel nourished without turning breakfast into an oversized feast. Creamy, high protein, and convenient. Plain Greek yogurt contains considerably more protein than many traditional sweetened yogurts, helping breakfast feel fuller and more complete. It also provides calcium, and varieties containing live cultures may contribute useful bacteria to the diet. Choose an unsweetened option so you control how much sweetness enters the bowl. A flavored yogurt can look healthy while containing enough added sugar to behave more like dessert. Build your own bowl instead. Start with plain Greek yogurt, then add berries, cinnamon, chia seeds, or a small spoonful of chopped nuts. The protein slows the meal down, while the fruit and seeds add fiber, texture, and natural sweetness without needing a heavy syrup. Portion and fat level should fit the rest of your diet. Non-fat or low-fat yogurt can reduce calories, while a fuller fat version may feel more satisfying for some people. Neither choice automatically causes fat loss. The winning option is the one that helps you stay within your needs, avoid added sugar, and remain comfortable until your next planned meal. Fiber-rich and steadying. Oats contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that absorbs water and helps create a thicker, more filling meal. A warm bowl of oatmeal also carries substantial volume, which can make breakfast feel generous without requiring an extreme number of calories. This combination can support steadier appetite and a more controlled start to the day. The common mistake is transforming oats into cake by adding large amounts of brown sugar, honey, chocolate, or sweetened creamers. Use rolled or steel-cut oats, then flavor them with cinnamon, berries, apple pieces, or vanilla. For stronger fullness, add Greek yogurt, milk, chia seeds, or a small portion of nuts, so the bowl contains protein as well as carbohydrate. Oatmeal is especially useful when you need a breakfast that is inexpensive, easy to batch, and adaptable. Overnight oats can be prepared ahead, but measure calorie-dense additions rather than pouring freely. A practical bowl combines oats, a protein source, fruit, and 1 modest topping. That structure is more supportive than relying on oats alone and becoming hungry again soon. Colorful, fiber-rich, and light. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries provide water, fiber, vitamins, and protective plant compounds for relatively few calories. Their natural sweetness can make a healthy breakfast more enjoyable without requiring spoonfuls of added sugar. Raspberries and blackberries are especially useful when you want more fiber in the bowl. Whole berries are more satisfying than berry juice because the structure and fiber remain intact. Add them to Greek yogurt, oatmeal, cottage cheese, or chia pudding rather than drinking calories quickly. Frozen berries are also a strong option. They last longer, are often less expensive, and can be warmed into oats or allowed to thaw overnight in the refrigerator. Berries do not need to be eaten in enormous amounts. One measured cup can add volume, flavor, and visual appeal while helping replace sugary toppings. Be careful with dried berries, sweetened cranberry products, and bottled berry sauces, which may contain concentrated sugar. The closer the fruit is to its whole, unsweetened form, the easier it is to build a balanced breakfast. Small seeds, powerful fullness. Chia seeds contain fiber, plant-based omega-3 fat, and a modest amount of protein. When mixed with liquid, they swell and form a gel-like texture that can slow the pace of eating and make a small breakfast feel more substantial. This makes chia useful for people who struggle with hunger shortly after a light morning meal. Use chia as a supporting ingredient, not an unlimited topping. 1 or 2 tablespoons can be stirred into oatmeal, yogurt, or an overnight pudding. Because the seeds absorb liquid, give them time to hydrate and drink enough water during the day. Increasing fiber too quickly may cause digestive discomfort, so begin with a smaller amount if your diet is currently low in fiber. Chia pudding becomes far more supportive when it is built around unsweetened milk, fruit, and a source of protein. It becomes less useful when it is loaded with maple syrup, sweetened coconut, granola, and nut butter all at once. Healthy ingredients still contribute calories. Choose 1 or 2 additions deliberately so fullness increases without the bowl quietly becoming oversized. Lean, filling, and protein-dense. Cottage cheese delivers a substantial amount of protein in a simple serving, making it useful for people who want a cold breakfast without cooking. Its mild flavor works with sweet or savory combinations. Protein supports muscle repair and can help breakfast remain satisfying, especially when combined with produce and a little fiber. For a sweet bowl, add berries, sliced peach, cinnamon, or a few walnuts. For a savory version, use tomatoes, cucumber, black pepper, herbs, and 1 slice of whole grain toast. These combinations provide more texture and volume than eating cottage cheese alone. They also help you build a real meal instead of grazing through several disconnected snacks later. Check the label because sodium and added ingredients vary widely between brands. Choose the fat level that fits your calorie needs and taste preferences. Then keep the portion realistic. Cottage cheese is not automatically better because it is labeled low fat, and it is not automatically harmful because it contains some fat. Your overall pattern and serving size matter more. Fiber-rich and deeply satisfying. Avocado combines fiber with mostly unsaturated fat, helping a breakfast feel substantial and enjoyable. It can improve the texture of a meal while replacing butter, creamy sauces, or processed spreads. Because fat slows digestion and carries flavor, a modest portion may help a simple breakfast remain satisfying for longer. The key word is modest. Avocado is nutritious but calorie-dense, so using an entire large avocado without considering the rest of the meal can make fat loss harder. Try 1/4 to 1/2 on whole grain toast, then add an egg, cottage cheese, or chickpeas for protein. Tomatoes, lemon, herbs, and chili can add brightness without many extra calories. Avocado toast becomes unbalanced when thick bread, multiple eggs, cheese, oil, and restaurant-sized portions are stacked together. Keep the structure simple: 1 fiber-rich base, 1 measured serving of avocado, and 1 lean protein. This allows you to enjoy healthy fat while controlling total energy. A nutritious food works best when its portion supports your goal: crunchy, nourishing, and appetite-friendly. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and other nuts provide unsaturated fats, plant protein, fiber, minerals, and satisfying texture. A small portion can make oatmeal or yogurt feel more complete and may reduce the desire for a second breakfast. Walnuts also provide alpha-linolenic acid, a plant form of omega-3 fat. Nuts are easy to overeat because they are compact and do not look like many calories. Instead of eating directly from a large bag, measure a small handful or sprinkle 1 tablespoon of chopped nuts over breakfast. Choose plain or lightly roasted varieties rather than candied nuts, chocolate-coated nuts, or mixes containing large amounts of sugar and oil. Nut butter can offer similar benefits, but the spoon matters. A level tablespoon spread over whole grain toast or stirred into oats is very different from several heaping spoonfuls. Look for a product made mainly from nuts, with little or no added sugar. Pair it with fruit or yogurt so the meal gains volume and protein, rather than relying on concentrated fat fat alone. Practical, energizing, and fiber supportive. Whole grain bread can provide complex carbohydrate, fiber, and useful nutrients while giving breakfast a convenient foundation. Compared with refined white bread, a genuinely whole grain option is digested more gradually and can create a steadier meal, especially when paired with protein, healthy fat, or produce. Do not trust the color of the bread or words such as multigrain and wheat on the front of the package. Read the ingredient list and look for a whole grain, such as whole wheat, near the beginning. Also, compare fiber and added sugar between brands. A bread can look rustic and healthy while still being made mostly from refined flour and offering very little lasting fullness. The topping determines whether toast becomes a balanced breakfast. Add eggs and tomatoes, cottage cheese and cucumber, avocado and chickpeas, or Greek yogurt with berries on the side. Toast covered in butter, jam, and sweetened coffee may provide quick energy, but little lasting fullness. Combine carbohydrate with protein and fiber to improve the entire meal. High protein and omega-3 rich. Salmon may not be the first food you picture at breakfast, but it offers high-quality protein along with EPA and DHA omega-3 fats. Protein supports muscle maintenance and fullness, while salmon provides nutrients that make the meal more complete. It is an excellent way to break out of the sugary breakfast routine and begin the day with savory, substantial food. You do not need a complicated recipe. Use leftover baked or grilled salmon with eggs, tomatoes, and greens, or place a modest portion over whole grain toast with cucumber and lemon. Avoid assuming that every salmon breakfast is automatically light. Creamy sauces, large bagels, and heavy spreads can add far more calories than the fish itself and quickly change the balance of the meal. Salmon works best as part of a weekly rotation rather than a miracle metabolism treatment. Its value comes from replacing less satisfying processed options and giving breakfast protein, flavor, and nutritional variety. Choose preparation methods you enjoy, keep the serving appropriate, and balance the plate with vegetables, fruit, or a fiber-rich whole grain. The strongest breakfast is not built from one perfect food. Use a simple formula. Begin with protein, add a fiber-rich plant food, include a controlled portion of healthy fat when needed, and choose mostly unsweetened ingredients. Eggs with vegetables, yogurt with berries, or oats with chia and protein can all work. The best choice is the one you can repeat consistently. Remember that healthy fat loss still depends on your total pattern across the day. Breakfast cannot cancel constant snacking, oversized portions, poor sleep, or inactivity, but it can make better choices easier by reducing hunger and protecting the energy you need to move. Start with one improvement tomorrow morning, then repeat it long enough to become normal. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 10 breakfast foods do you already eat, and which one will you add first? Your answer may give another viewer a simple place to begin, and if this video helped you understand metabolism and fat loss without confusing promises, subscribe to Healthy Grams and turn on notifications for more powerful foods and realistic nutrition strategies.